the data that we get here from, we can actually see the debug here. Let's turn it on. So let's see here. In the settings, we have this one, send spoken text to WebSocket for commands, and this is what I'm using. It's simple, this check mark and TTS bot, and I'm using the dev version. So let's see. This is now it's connected because I started it, and this means that whatever I say is popping out here as debug messages. Yeah. Actually, here we have a debug. Yeah, and there we have a debug connected. So that's where it's coming. And one of these get the full sentences, and one of them get the words on the way to the full sentence. So if I disable this one, I think it might already not have been enabled. Let's see, is it connected? Because I just made this earlier. Just thought I'd have this a bit structured. So the quick is disabled as soon as I deploy. And now only the finished results should appear. I also have this Discord send a message and chat send message, and this is actually the chat of my bots stream. So let's see if I can this is the bot. Here you can see everything I say pop up here when I'm finished with a sentence. And I could do this to my stream, but that would be quite messy, right? But if someone couldn't have audio on, they could just pop the stream, this chat out, and they have all the text. So I could just do that now as a test. Quite a fun thing, actually. Let's see, did I click the wrong one? This is the right one, right? Or they're not supposed to be. I pop it out. There are too many options. I'm not used to this version of the chat window. So anyways, this one I'll just minimize. And I have this for as private since since I have my normal account, my normal one, of course. So whatever I say is written down in the chat, and if I wanted to, I could just simply, put a small box here somewhere, but it's easy to make something more advanced. But this is a simple way, very, very simple way. It's just use the Twitch one and the STT, and this is also WebSocket. So, and that's what OBS is using, a WebSocket. So WebSockets seem to be very simple there, and that should be very easy to connect to OBS that way. I seem to say so a lot. Okay. Okay, just checking everything. I do have tests here. A little test down here. Just checking that the stream seemed to work fine. Okay, so let's check my other one, and that's a Discord. I'm not even sure if I have Discord running, if I'm honest. I think I shut it down because I was just checking performance on my computer, and it was a bit slow. So I turned off everything that was not... Okay, this was not what I wanted. Oh, that's so annoying. I can't even click this because I have disabled Microsoft's stuff. Whatever. Yeah, and I have a Discord. And this stream I have not my other voice commands enabled, since I was going to use Node-RED. Let's see, I'll just... Here, I call the group in the Discord channel subtitles. And as you can see, this is the same functionality. And this is just a test. Might be a bit annoying to have constant messages. Blip. Yeah, annoying, right? So this is just a test to try different functionalities in Node-RED with the TTS or the STT. I think I'll actually close Discord again. There. It still receives the messages, but I don't have to listen to the annoying blip. So I'll just... This one doesn't have to be on either. I've shown it. So these are the ones. If I wanted to disable the Discord one, I would like to have a switch here on the line. Maybe that's possible. But I'm not sure yet. Trigger, delay, template, range. I'm sure there is a easier way. Actually, I noticed there where you could even have like spreadsheets in here with output data. So I'll have to try that next time. I'm rounding off a bit. Also, I have a keyboard one here. So if I pull this through here, connect them, my keyboard will actually type the whatever I'm saying. So that's a functionality you can use if you're lazy and want to you know, you can just say type now, or like a command, and then you can type things with spoken words. So that's what I was thinking, and that worked. Didn't work yet, cause I believe that this one it was just saying undefined, so I have to check what input data this node wants, because it apparently wants a string, but if simply I'll have to do that programmatically in between here to convert the data. That's what I'm doing here, all of these, convert for command. This just sends the payload as text message, because that's what like for this one, it says the channel to subtitles in the Discord channel, and the payload as the message text, because the payload and mstr.channel, that's what the Discord one expects. That's the data it wants. So I'll have to check what the keyboard wants, and I won't do that right now. The plan here is to when I talk, I also have logged to the console. I could show you what the console looks like now. as you can see, every word is not written once, but several times. The longer I talk, the more times the same word appears. And the final one has a special flag, which I get over here. If it is final, then I send it to the top part over here. And if it's not final, all of the ones in between, all of these. And here you have the final one. And when I'm holding my mouse down, nothing happens. It's good. There. I'm curious what happens if I do this, because this is the server, you know, I am actually messing about with. To stop the server, I'll just Control-C. And now we Control-C that I had clicked. So now if I F5 this one, it's not there. And let's see if we can start Node-RED again. I think I have to look for a setting so we just add this thing again. Yeah. So, and now let's update this one. Also, I can show you, if I close this, let's open just another tab so it doesn't close the whole of the window. If I close this down, and let's go to the server, you can see it's still running. Everything is still working. Everything works. So you don't have to have the GUI part running. It's just to change stuff. But if you use the debug info there, then you of course might want it. But you can just print a console. I'll show that too. Let's open the window again. Reopen. And yeah, it's typing. So yeah, the console log. So for final, it's just if message is final. This was before I added that. We don't need that anymore. It says final and message text. And this one, as you see, these don't really need to be split. I could put them before here. But anyway, that's the first thing I did, I think, with the final. So, because here we only get the temp ones, and here we only get the final ones, because they're split over here. These are not updated yet, so I'll have to decide what code I want. And I'm thinking I'll split out like an array of the words, probably here, and then, or I'll just skip this and just, yeah, maybe that's better just to do all of the handling like this. There, and move these back. That's better. Looks better. Oh, that's annoying. I can't line it up properly. I'll have to do one at a time. So this is just a comment too. It's a comment like this. So no functionality, but this one jumps to 1, because this is a completed sentence. All the words are just sent once. So for commands that you want after the sentence is finished, if I say a word in the beginning and then I talk for a long time, this will be delayed. But I may want to see them before. If I do that, then I'll have several of the same. Quite a few, even. And if I want that, I'm not sure, but I made those to test later. Remember to save or deploy. And I disable this one, and this one is enabled. So if we switch them around, oh, we get lots of undefined now. Yeah. You see, I broke it because I had something in this. But maybe I should have saved that. I can just undo. But you can't undo in these. Well, that's quite annoying, actually. But I believe you can copy one of these. Can you copy? Yeah, copy selected notes. And then we could redo that. And it notices even it remembers it's deployed. Let's paste this one over here. There, and because we don't want a big mess, right? Now our debug messages should start saying something again. There. Because what I did here apparently was necessary. Message test. The debug needed the other one. So. Let's stop this so poor security law won't have to pay for all the words.